class you learned about a chemical reaction, right? What is meant by chemical reaction? When two or more substances undergo a chemical change and form a new substance, then that change is known as chemical reaction, right? For this chemical reaction, which example I given, that is rusting of iron, right? So that how that rust formed on the iron substances when it is in contact with the air and moisture, right? So to that formation of the iron corrode the iron substances, iron articles, and so that means it weaken the iron objects. So that we have to find out a solution to prevent that rusting. So today you are going to learn about the methods of preventing rusting of iron. That means rust prevention methods. Okay, rust prevention methods. First one it is that is painting. Painting means it is a coating of some substances on iron articles, right? For example, when you that means at your home gate, outside gate, then grills, banisters, all these are made up of iron objects. So regularly, that means once in a year something it may be painted, right? So that it will be last for many years. Otherwise, it will easily corrode. So what we will do it, we will paint it. So painting means coating the substances on the iron objects. So it prevent rusting. There will be no contact of moisture and air. Okay. And the second method is oiling and greasing. Oiling and greasing. Here what it is, that means applying of oil or grease on iron objects. For example, when your bicycles, your bicycles, it is made up of iron, right? So continuously if you are using it, no problem, but sometimes then you are keeping it outside the door at your home, then there will be a chance of air and moisture, and then it forms the rust over there in some of the areas. Then you will come to know that when you are pedaling that cycle, that time you will feel that it is very hard to pedal it, right? So that is because of rusting. To avoid that, then what you will do, you will go to the cycle shop and give it to him, and he will apply the oil or grease on that areas and then make it smoother. That means avoiding that. That also be when it is happening that because of the air and moisture contact on the iron objects, that paint continuously you are using it now, so that some of the areas the paint will be removed. Then that area only that is rust forming it. That is oiling and greasing it. And the third method is galvanizing. Galvanizing, it is means it is also be a coating of another metal on the iron objects. For example, another metal like zinc or chromium. Okay, zinc or chromium on the iron objects. Then it is applying on the iron. So there is a mixing of, okay, coating of zinc or chromium on iron object. That method is known as galvanizing, where you can see that, for example, it is a permanent solution, because all these are the temporary only. So regular continuous maintenance it required. But in this case, that every time, in all cases, we can't do the regular maintenance every now and then. So that there should be a permanent solution for that galvanizing method. For example, that water supplying pipe, that is made up of this. That is a galvanizing iron only, because in that is made up of iron, and in that this zinc and chromium is coated over that. So there will be no contact of air and moisture, and it will not corrode the pipe. Clear? And the fourth method is alloying. What it is? Alloying. Alloying means it is the that means mixing of one or more metal or non-metal on the iron with the iron object, that is alloy. Okay, that mixed metal is known as alloy. For example, steel. Okay, steel, it will not corrode easily, but iron will be corrode easily. It will not. That steel, how it is forming? It is actually formed by the steel is formed by mixing of 0.5% of carbon, then nickel and chromium. So carbon, nickel and chromium 5% with the pure iron. Then that is known as the steel. Okay, that steel is very strong and it will not corrode. Where that means most of your scissors, blades, knives and the surgical instruments like that means doctors are using for doing the operations. Those things are made up of steel because it will not corrode easily and there will be no rust formation in this. It will last many time, long. Okay, that is steel. So what are the rust prevention method you learned? First one is painting, then oiling and greasing, then galvanizing and alloying. Okay, galvanizing and alloying understood? Here you are, that means the on the iron coating of another metal, that is zinc and chromium. And here it is mixing of one or two metals, that means 0.5% of carbon, nickel and chromium along with the iron and forming the steel. So here steel is an alloy, right? Understood, students? Okay, students.